If you're one of those people who used to tell us that we could get pneumonia from staying out in cold, by the power invested in me, I declare you a false prophet of health. If you're angry, comment. The last time I said what I was about to say now, people legit asked for my address, so forget about it. Growing up, we used to hear things like, don't stay out in cold, you're gonna have pneumonia. Don't stay by the window, you're gonna have pneumonia. Don't go out with your hair wet, you're going to have pneumonia. Well, I'm sorry to tell you that that's not how you get it. If you wanna get pneumonia, I will show you how. Don't worry. I know. Most of these things, our ancestors said that to our parents so that they would get them to do what they want or what they say. And then our parents also did the same thing to us. So are we gonna do the same to our grandchildren, so that our grandchildren will make video like this and tell their children that their ancestors, which are our grandparents, we are trying to scare them? Let's not allow the trend to continue. Pneumonia is caused by virus, fungi and bacteria. So let's get it right so that we don't just walk into pneumonia not knowing that that's what it is. All right? These are the things that cause pneumonia. It's not because you stayed out in cold. That's not why you have pneumonia. But it's not like cold has no part to play in it. This is the thing. During cold seasons, your immune system is a bit weak. So if you have any disease or if you're exposed to any disease at that point, there is high chance or there's a risk of having that infection. You get it? It's not the cold that causes the pneumonia. So yeah. Another reason why pneumonia is more common during the cold season is because in the cold season, people stay indoors. So because you're staying indoors, you're staying in clusters. So it is easy for you to transmit it from one person to another. Yes, people used to say that pneumonia is not contagious, but viral pneumonia, bacterial pneumonia can be transmitted. Maybe fungal can't be transmitted, but viral pneumonia and bacterial pneumonia can be transmitted from one person to another. So when you stay together in clusters during cold season and one person has pneumonia and you people are staying together, they can transfer it. Yes, there are vaccines for pneumonia, but just because you have taken the shots doesn't mean you can still get sick. You're gonna get sick if you do not protect yourself. So since pneumonia affects your airways, we can say pneumonia is a lung infection. So you're probably gonna have symptoms like cough, and the cough might come with mucus or might not come with mucus. You're gonna have fever, and then you'll be shaking, and you're gonna lose appetite. But I know some people that it does not matter how sick they are, that food must be eaten. But anyway, it's good to eat when sick. Like, so you can take your medicine so that your immune system can also work very well. There are a lot of things with eating. So eating actually does a lot for you when you're sick. Vomiting in some cases, yeah. And sometimes you're gonna feel tired. In some cases, you start losing it upstairs, not the intense type, the one you're gonna be confused sometimes, you forget some things, yeah, all those kind of the mild type, not the intense one. But in case it gets to the intense type, please tell your neighbors to get you all the ropes they can get from your neighborhood. Don't mind me, it's not gonna get there. Anyways, you want to consider taking your health seriously. So you might want to keep a very good hygiene, clear out dust from the windows, and when you have sick person, make sure you get yourself checked in time. You sometimes you don't know, yeah, but just make sure you get yourself checked in time. Get pneumonia shots if you think you're predisposed to that, and there are vaccines for all those things too. So take care of yourself. If you know anyone that has pneumonia, make sure you separate them from the other members of the family, okay? At least for the time of treatment, or they could all cover their nose and wear mask while handling the person so that they don't transmit it to other members of the family. Yeah, and that is that about pneumonia. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, comment, subscribe. I'll see you again next week. Enjoy. Bye.